Well, previous board trustees are reacting to the news of the superintendent being ousted.
Joe Moeller continues our team coverage with more. Joe?
And the trustees we spoke to say they are heartbroken over what has unfolded and are worrying about the students and educators now. We caught up with former trustee Terry Jennison earlier today. She spent 5 years as a school board trustee. She thinks Dr. Jara has done a decent job considering the circumstances. She has been watching the turmoil and is saddened that the trustees and superintendent couldn't work together.
What I've been seeing is just really sad for, number one, our children. But number two, our community. I just believe that the behavior of the school board specifically has been so disappointing. And I just think it reflects badly on the entire Clark County.
She is worried there won't be a superintendent that will want to come work for the district. She hopes the trustees and the district can overcome this.
So I hope they all figure out what their jobs are as trustees and then what their jobs are as officers, because it's very specific.
We also spoke to Sheila Moulton, who was a trustee for 12 years. We'll have much more on what she has to say coming up here at 5. Reporting in the studio, Joe Moeller Live, Local Now.
Thank you, Joe. The FDA has authorized a smaller dose of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for children between the ages of 5 and 11. It's a critical step for the more than 28 million children that may soon be eligible. Next week, advisors for the CDC will meet to make their own recommendation. And if the CDC director agrees, then shots could be available the following day. Nevada Health Response has not yet updated the COVID dashboard. Latest numbers show 108 cases per 100,000 people here in Clark County. Our test positivity rate sitting at about 6%. Just more than 55% of Clark County residents are fully vaccinated. Christian?
Well, trick-or-treating is back, but health experts still want families to be COVID conscious. Here are some simple precautions from doctors to have fun, but a safe Halloween.
6-year-old Talia Chang can't wait for Halloween.
Lots of Skittles and chocolate.
But she knows her peacock costume will have a very important accessory.
Our daughter will still wear a mask when she's trick-or-treating, and we will as well.
Health officials say it's safe for children to enjoy Halloween this year if simple COVID precautions are in place. Dr. Mercedes Carnathan with Northwestern Medicine says everyone should mask up, especially if you welcome trick-or-treaters at the door.
There's no way to predict the density of children who are going to come together, and there's no way to know which households they're approaching, whether or not